सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Parth, get up, dear. Get up, get up, get up.
Mom, how come you always come to wake me up before the alarm rings?
So that this machine should not feel that we are completely dependent on it. That's why I come to wake you up before it rings.
By the way, Mom, I must say that this invention is a brilliant one. I wonder who invented this. Whoever must have invented it, he must be genius.
Or maybe he must be like your dad who always loves to sleep. That's why he needed alarm to wake him up. Come on, get ready or else you'll be late to school. Go and brush fast.
Mom, you didn't tell me who actually invented the alarm clock.
Parth, the alarm was invented by Plato. Even I didn't know it. I searched on the internet today. Parth, now please don't ask me who invented the pressure cooker because I really don't know. And I have no time to look up for the answer now. Okay? So drink your milk fast and go and tell your grandpa that breakfast is ready, okay?
Curiosity. That means to know more. Today our story is about Parth, who is curious to know everything all the time. Every child has this special ability and he or she has the curiosity to practice it in the right way. But Parth's curiosity is his special ability and some understand this and some don't.
Grandpa,
Yes.
the breakfast is ready. If you have finished reading the newspaper, then can we go?
Yes, we'll join you in some time. I'm yet to read the horoscope for today.
Hey, Grandpa, why don't you read it loudly? Even I want to know.
Listen. Today you can expect lot of challenges in your life. There are some chances that you might face problems, but your presence of mind can help you overcome these difficult situations.
Grandpa, I'm very curious to know that only Indians believe in horoscope or even people abroad follow it. These planetary positions and their predictions, are they really true, Grandpa?
Now, here come the challenges. I don't know about others' path, but I am sure my predictions will come true today. Come on, let's have our breakfast.
Please tell me, Grandpa. Please, please, please tell me.
Parth, even people in other countries try out ways to find out about predictions. Like Europeans believe in tarot cards, the Chinese, they believe in Feng Shui. It's just like our Vastu Shastra. Alright, let's go and have our breakfast. Come on, let's go.
Grandpa,
Yes, Parth?
earlier there were double-decker buses in Mumbai, right?
Even today we have.
They reduce pollution to a great extent. And we can save so much of fuel too. Then why don't we have more double-decker buses in Mumbai?
I agree. But you see, it becomes very difficult to handle them during traffic hours. Moreover, they are more accident prone and the engine heats up soon.
Oh. But then...
Oh, enough now. Your bus has arrived. You ask too many questions. Why don't you keep quiet for some time?
Ma'am, please listen. That medicinal plant that you taught us about, that...
Parth, tell me, why don't you understand anything at one go? I have taught you everything that had to be covered in your syllabus. Why do you keep asking for many details? Initially, you kept me asking so many things in class. And now you're troubling me outside the class? I have lot of things to do apart from answering your questions. Did you get that? Now go back to your class. Go! Good morning, madam.
Good morning. I think your student wanted to ask you something, but I don't think he's convinced with your answer.
I'm sorry, madam. But Parth has made this a habit to keep asking questions. And if I answer his one question, then he is ready to ask another question immediately, ma'am. I think he enjoys to trouble all the teachers by behaving this way.
Look, if his questions are related to your subjects, then it's your duty to answer all of them. And if you don't have answers to all his questions right away, then you can look out for the answers and tell him. I don't think there is a problem in doing that. And I hope you will not disappoint any of my students and me too in future. Okay?
Okay, madam. So what if we are teachers? We are human beings, not an encyclopedia. How can we answer all the questions all the time?
Grandpa. Here, I've
Yes,
got your
dear?
turmeric milk.
Thank you.
Grandpa,
Yes,
tell
Parth?
me something. Why do you have this milk every day?
Parth, you must know that turmeric is very good for healthy blood circulation. Turmeric also helps in strengthening our bones. And do you know, our ancestors have since long been consuming turmeric because of its healing properties.
But Grandpa, my teachers were mentioning that we Indians don't have the patent for turmeric. The Americans have it.
This is what happens, dear. When one gets something easily, he or she doesn't value it the way it should be, and someone else ends up benefiting from it.
By the way, Grandpa,
Yes.
you had promised me today that you'll tell me the story of Sita's kidnapping.
You still remember that? Okay, we'll tell you. So what happened was that Lord Ram and Sita were in the jungle on exile. Okay? They kept roaming around day and night. One day what happened was Sita all of a sudden saw a golden deer in the jungle. And then she felt very excited and she told Ram that she wants that deer. Now what could Lord Ram do? He tried explaining her, Sita, this is just illusion. And this is how Ravan kidnapped Sita and took her to Lanka in his Pushpak Viman. Okay, dear. We can continue the story tomorrow. Let's go now and sleep. Tomorrow you have to go to school. By the way, did you do your homework? Tell me. Parth? Why are you not ready yet? Will you not be late to school?
Grandpa, yesterday you told me that Ravan flew with Sita to Lanka. This means that we knew the concept of aeroplanes since ages, right? And the credit was taken by Wright brothers.
But who are these Wright brothers, Parth?
They are the ones who introduced the concept of aeroplane to the world. But Grandpa...
Enough. Now don't open the box of questions early morning. Come on, you should get ready now or else you will be late to school. Come on, get up, hurry up, quick, good boy.
Nice ball. Focus on your game. Next ball. Come on, boys. Good ball. Come on, boys. Take your positions fast. Concentrate on your game. Bend and play the stroke.
Sir, tell me something. If the ball touches here, then it's a 6. But if it touches here, then it's a catch out or a miss. Why is it like that, sir?
Have you come here for practice or to ask many questions? Go. Next.
Hey, you're sitting here? I was searching you on the ground.
Actually, Roshan, I have seen that my family, my teachers, my friends, all are troubled because of me. It's high time now. I should stop asking so many questions. It's enough now.
Hey, buddy. I know today Goel sir scolded you. That's why your mood is off. Don't worry. They don't know that you're so intelligent, boy. Do you know, whenever I mention your name to my parents, they always say one thing to me, that I am very lucky to have you as my friend.
Thanks, brother. But you're just trying to pacify me, right?
Oh, trust me, Parth. You know what happened yesterday? My sister was mentioning that for taking internet connection, let's convince our dad. Do you know what I replied her?
Tell me.
I told her that why do I need internet connection when I have Google with me all the time?
Stop it.
When our expectations from one person are not fulfilled, we have to return empty-handed all the time. But it also happens that a small ray of hope can change the way you look at things. And this is where you build your self-confidence in yourself and also build trust in your relationships, which is very important. In Parth's life, his friend Roshan was his only hope, who would never bring him down no matter what. That's why they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Mr. Sharma, please check this file and submit it on time.
Okay, ma'am.
Where have I kept my car keys today? Mr. Sharma, I'm not able to get my car keys. Have you seen them anywhere?
No, ma'am, I haven't seen the keys. Have a look, you must have kept it somewhere.
No, but I have checked them, but I can't find them. Hello? Yes, dear. What? All right then. I'll bring that file and reach there. You don't worry at all. I'm leaving now.
What happened, ma'am?
Mr. Sharma, my husband has suddenly fallen ill today. He is admitted to the ICU. The doctors want the reports urgently. And those reports are in the file. And that file is in my car. But I'm not able to find my car keys. I don't know what to do.
What I suggest that we go and check near the car. Maybe we can find it there. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Come, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't see any keys here. But don't worry. I will get one key maker very soon.
Okay. Mr. Sharma,
Yes, ma'am.
please make it fast.
Sure, ma'am. I'll be right back.
Ma'am? Ma'am, why do you look so worried?
Actually, my husband has suddenly fallen ill today. He is in the ICU and all the reports are in my car. I can't find my car keys and I have to reach hospital with all those reports urgently. I don't know what to do.
Ma'am, I.
Parth! Can't you see that? Our principal madam is so tensed, and then too you want to ask something at this time? At least look at the situation this time.
Let him speak, Tina. By asking him to keep quiet, our problems won't be solved.
Ma'am, you must have the duplicate keys in your house, right?
Yes, I do. But my house is 25 kilometers away from here.
No issues, ma'am. Is there someone at your place right now? If yes, I can help you. All you need to do is call that person and ask him to put his phone on hold and go near the duplicate keys and just press the unlock button of the key. At the same time, you need to keep your phone right in front of the car door. That's it, your car will be unlocked.
Is it? Then let's try doing that. I'll just make a call. Hello? Yes, Madhu. You have the duplicates of my car keys, right? Please get them fast. Now do one thing. Take the duplicate of the car keys and unlock the button in front of the mobile. Yes, hold the mobile. Now press the unlock button. Wow! This is great! Thank you so much, Parth. You're such a brilliant boy. But how did you know all this?
One day I went to the market with my mom. I saw there was a similar car and there was a kid trapped inside it, and a man had opened the car door in the same manner. After everyone dispersed, I asked him that how did he do it. He then shared this with me.
Very good, Parth. I'm proud of you. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? Now I have to rush to the hospital immediately. Okay, bye.
I'm very sorry, Parth, that I couldn't understand your hidden talent. You're such a brilliant boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
People were fed up of Parth's curiosity, but that was his quality. He not only helped Principal Ma'am, but also saved someone's life. The thing so many people could not think about, Parth has done in no time. And you know why? Because he has kept his curiosity always alive in his life, which motivates him to know and learn a new thing every day. Actually, we all have killed our curiosity and the keenness to know things because of our busy schedule. We have completely stopped learning new things, and we all know we should never stop learning new things. That's why always be curious to learn, because there's a lot to learn and to know in your life, friends.